Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to update the Google Chrome mobile application if you are an Android user and iPhone user. This process is same for both of the cases. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I'm using an Android, so I'll simply jump towards the Google App Store. If you are using an Apple, you have to go to App Store. So I'm opening the Play Store, and here at the top you'll see the search bar. You have to tap on that, and here you have to search for Google Chrome. Once you'll tap on that, here right next to the Google Chrome, it will either says open or update. If it says open, it means that you are using the updated version. Otherwise, if it says the update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible, because updating your app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app and quick running applications. Okay, so guys, there is another way to check whether the update is available or not. For that, you have to go back. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see the option of manage apps and devices. Here you will see the option of second updates available, so simply tap on that. Now here it will show you all of the apps on which the update is available. You simply have to tap on the update right next to that particular app and it will start updating. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.